Ever wondered which ferns would make the perfect addition to your garden? Or are you just starting to explore the lush world of ferns? Today we're diving into the captivating realm of these green beauties and their vital role in our gardens. Stay tuned as we count down the top 5 ferns for a lush and verdant shade garden. Kicking off our countdown at number 5 is the lady fern. Known for its delicate lace-like fronds and vibrant green hues, this fern thrives in cool, shady areas. Its resilience to pests and diseases makes it an ideal choice for any garden. A classic choice, the lady fern is an elegant addition to any shade garden. At number 4, we have the Japanese painted fern. This fern is a visual delight with its silver, red, and green fronds. It's not only beautiful, but also low maintenance, bringing a touch of the exotic to any shade garden. With its vibrant colors, the Japanese painted fern can truly make your garden pop. Coming in at number 3 is the delicate maidenhair fern. This beauty is admired for its feathery, light green fronds and unique growth pattern, making it a favorite among garden enthusiasts. For a touch of elegance, you can never go wrong with the maidenhair fern. Our runner-up is none other than the Boston fern. A symbol of resilience, this hardy fern thrives in shady corners. Its lush, arching fronds create a verdant oasis, making it an ideal choice for shade gardens. For a fern that is as tough as it is beautiful, the Boston fern is your go-to. And finally, at number 1, we have the magnificent sword fern. With its commanding appearance and lush blade-like fronds, it's a true standout in any shade garden. It's hardy, versatile, and impressively eye-catching. For a fern that is truly a showstopper, the sword fern takes the crown. And there you have it, the top 5 ferns for a lush and verdant shade garden. Remember, choosing the right fern can make all the difference. From the elegant lady fern to the resilient sword fern, there's a perfect fit for every garden. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!